This is how you get my AI on Snapchat. Now, if you don't see your AI on your Snapchat, you probably want to go to your app store and check Snapchat if there's an update. If there is, make sure to press that. Now that we have our Snapchat updated, let's open it up. As soon as you open it up, we're going to swipe to the left. And you should have my AI as the first person at the top of your screen. So we're going to open up the chat. So if you ever used Chat GPT before, this is just like that, but on Snapchat. So we can say something simple like, hey, yes, how's it going? We can ask them some simple question. He'll give us the answer. We can ask him a more complex question. And he'll give us the answer. So yeah, just like the name says, it is an AI, it's a bot, so you can ask him any questions that you like. If we open up the AI's profile on the top left, here we can change his name. If we wanted to name it Jarvis, we can change it to whatever. We can customize it right here if we really want to. And another cool thing, if you press this camera icon in the bottom left, let's say I want to take a picture of my Xbox controller and send it to the AI. And send it to him. Now that's kind of scary. But yeah, you can have some fun with this. You can be educational with this. That is how you get my AI on Snapchat.